Good day. Welcome to another edition of our online automobile training, online automotive technology training, and today I'll be introducing you to a class on electrical system and components in the vehicle, automotive electrical system and components in the vehicle, their function, mode of operation, and how to diagnose and fix faults and identify faults on it. So first of all, we're going to be explaining a lot of the fundamentals about automotive electrical system. Then we are going to check out some of the various fundamentals that you need to know. We are not this class is a practical based class that's going to give you the relevant practical skills and knowledge that you need to be a successful auto tech mechanic or a DIY mechanic. So we are going to be talking strictly on relevant um, theories that we'll be needing to understand in order to be able to perform our repairs on our vehicles. We we also look at all these system technologies, various components and various systems, various circuits, various devices in these electrical systems of the automotive or of the automobile. And we're going to look at the work and going to compare similarities and how to diagnose faults in this system. So all these are what we're going to be looking at. All these are what we're going to be working with. All these are what we're going to be focusing in this course. So when we talk about automotive electrical systems components, what are we talking about? We are talking about the electrical power of the vehicle. Now I'm going to go back in time. At first, when vehicles were created, they were basically mechanical elements and mechanical machines. So vehicles were basically mechanical elements and mechanical machines. Almost every system was powered and controlled by mechanical principles and mechanical devices. From the ignition system, the engines, the fuel system, um, the transmission, everything was electrically controlled. The timing, everything. Um, Cooling system, whatever system there is was sort of mechanically controlled. But with time, we began to have innovations and development and evolutions in the vehicle, and we start having electrically controlled ignition system, electrically controlled cooling system, electrically controlled um, fuel system, electrically controlled um, engine timing system, and you started until a time it came and become electronically controlled and computerized. That today everything is being computerized, and over the years, innovation came to the current state we are, where even the powertrain, which is the driving force of the vehicle, is now be powered by an electric source. So that is, we're talking about hybrids and electric vehicles. So vehicles have transited from a mechanical device to a mechanical and electrical and a complex electrical device. So that's why you need to have the relevant electrical knowledge that's going to make you to know how to fix and rectify faults in this vehicle, how to diagnose fault very importantly in your vehicles. And we're going to look at a lot of the fundamentals and a lot of the we're going to look at a lot of fundamentals, a lot of the components, a lot of the system, how they work and how they operate in the vehicle, and how it can help us to um, easily rectify a vehicle, easily fix fault, easily diagnose because and diagnose accurately, fix fault accurately, because the main aim is not spending, is not to is being able to give quality repairs services and maintenance services, being able to diagnose accurately and perform repairs with best operating standards, best acceptable standards in a part of the world. And there are some tricks that will help you to perform some hectic tasks more easily and faster. All this we are going to be working through this course. I am Osasume Gideon, the automobile consultant, and I'll be taking you through this course. Um, I'm in, I've been a mechanical engineering. I'm a mechanical engineer. I studied mechanical engineering at the University of Benin, and I also have practiced several years as an auto technician. I major in diagnostics and automobile or automotive mechatronics. So I've written several books, author of a lot of popular books, which will be some of which will be part of this course material. You're going to get them resources and videos, practical videos that will perform repairs operation. You're going to see how to operate these how to perform these repairs. And by the end of this course, we believe that you'll be able to have master uh, master electrical repairs and diagnostics and understand how vehicle electrical systems and every component in it operates and works. So thank you for starting the course with us. We hope you complete and if you have a good feedback, you give us a good feedback. Thank you very much. So we are going to look first at what what electrical system look like. So the electrical system is simply a powered system that moves from the positive terminal to the negative terminal down to the positive terminal in um, that is the flow of electron from the positive terminal to the negative terminal. And all those are what we're going to be looking through today. In the next lecture, we're going to look at a series of the fundamentals, and I'm going to give a lot of pictures and illustrations to which we're going to look and understand this, after which we are going to proceed on repairs jobs and diagnostic jobs where you will understand better. Thank you very much for your time.